Hello, welcome back again to NX Progressive Die tutorial. In this session, I would like to show you how to create a forming punch and lower die insert. So NX actually automatically copy this the shape and create a punch insert. Like this one also. This geometry is copied from the original part. You can see, so it's very easy for you to create all the forming punch and also the die. So okay, let's continue. Now this part I want to add forming punch. I go to progressive die, I use this one, forming insert design, and what I need to do, the first thing is to uncheck use seed face and boundary faces. Select the forming faces, these faces. Okay, okay, so I would like to create something like this, and then I say design forming punch, so it's gonna be on punch side. This tool is gonna be punch. Okay, create datum plane. Okay, now I don't need to click anything, just only click OK. So it will automatically create this punch. Okay, I will hide the strip layout and also the simulation. You can see the shape is copied from the part file. Okay, on the part from the geometry. Okay, now I also want to add this punch, and this punch also. After that, I will create the die for each forming. Now I want to insert the punch. Use seed face boundary, design forming punch, create a template. Now I have to select the forming faces first. Okay, and here click this one. Okay, this is gonna be the reference of the geometry, and then I click OK. I can see automatically create. This is also the same process. I'm sorry, it's not special using the same process. Select forming faces, okay, trim forming directly, click apply, automatically create. Okay, and the last one, this one, because in here is a bending operation. I uncheck again, using this as a reference of the geometry. No. Okay, and also this. Okay, when I click design forming punch, create the template, and then click OK, it automatically create the shape. As you can see in here, we have hole in here, but I click the upper face, so it means that it will just create a straight surface. It will close the hole in here, like this one. Okay, so you don't need to worry if you find some kind of hole in here. You don't need to close, just only click on the top surface, it will be closed like this one. Okay, now it's time for me to create the die side for this and the other side also. Now I uncheck the use it face, select one faces, but in here I must check also the design forming die, because I want to create the die, not the punch. Select forming faces, and also I must click this one, trim by forming region directly. So the purpose to select this, I will explain. Okay, the purpose is I also must click this one. If I not check this, it means I will create a die base as big as this one. Okay, like a box. I don't want to be this like this big, so I must trim by forming region directly, and the trim will be done after I create a sketch on this surface. I click create datum plane. Okay, now it create datum plane in here, so I just click the datum plane. Okay, create sketch, plane type, sketch orientation, and you select the sketch orientation, horizontal path. Okay, maybe I can use horizontal path to using two-way direction, 2 point. Okay, the sketch origin. Okay, I will click in here. It's okay, or not? Maybe in here. Yeah. Okay, it's good. Now I using sketch rectangle. I'll start from here to here. Okay, and then after that I can create chamfer, schematic chamfer. Okay. Okay, maybe some fillet in here, 5 millimeters. Okay, finish. You see, it will extrude slightly. It's over from the part, but we see in here there's a boundary surface, so it means that trim by forming region directly, it will trim based on the surface in the sketch, and also will be trim based on the surface. When I click OK, you can see the result. If I hide the simulation, and also maybe I will hide this one, you can see it will create a good die in here, a smooth shape taken from the lower side of the part. Okay, now we continue to the other. For example, to this one. Okay, I will go back again into this tool, forming die insert design, uncheck this, design forming die, trim by forming region directly, create datum plane. Okay, but sorry, there's some step I'm missing. I should select the forming faces first. Okay, now it's good. Set forming die, trim by forming region directly, click datum plane, create, and then I choose that plane, make the reference also using 2 points. I create the horizontal line, the origin, maybe I can click, you can click anything, you can click in here also, no problem. Okay, now in this sketch I will explain to you. First of all, I will use the rectangle. Now in here you can see it's overshoot from the boundary of the part itself, so it will not create a good result if you overshoot. The one thing you can do now is to create a profile that's still inside the surface of the part itself, or the feature that you would like to create. Okay, maybe in a chamfer I can just fill it now. Okay, okay, now you can see all the sketch still inside, but this is outside. I should change it. Okay, using quick trim. Okay, there's something I should clean up first. No, it's not. Now all the sketch is inside the surface of the model. I click finish, and it's automatically extrude. Slightly overshoot the surface, but it's okay because we already clicked this one. And then I click OK. Now let's check the result. Click hide. Now you can see it create a good shape, and in here also you can edit in synchronous technology in the modeling environment. I hide. Maybe I want to slightly pull this one, move face all of this. Okay. Okay, and also maybe move this one also. Okay, and then go back to project control. Let's see. Okay, slightly over now. It's good. This is the embossing. Okay, for this section finish. Now we continue to this and then to this one. The rules still same. Progressive die. You go to forming insert design. Uncheck this. Select the forming faces. Okay, after you got all the surface, design forming die, trim by forming region directly, create the datum, and then you click the datum. Okay, using reference 2 points, same like previous one. Maybe I can use this 2 points. and make the origin in here. Okay, the same like previous one. I'm using rectangle. Okay, and I also use just wanted to make sure. Okay, trim the unnecessary sketch. Maybe create some fillet here. Okay, now we got a sketch inside the geometry. Okay, finish, and then click OK. Now there's something wrong in here. You can see it's not open, so it means that I'm sorry, it's open. It means that it create a surface. It's not a solid. So I will undo this. Okay, undo twice. Now you can see in here it already create the surface. So if you go directly to the forming inside the design, you will get the result, unexpected result. So it means that I have to undo again until the surface that created here is missing. I go back, return again, forming die, reject directly, select this surface. Okay, okay, create datum, select the datum, specify the vector reference. Okay, origin method, perhaps I use this. Click OK, go back again, create the rectangle. Okay, using a line. Trim the unnecessary curve. Fillet. Okay, I think it's already closed, but in here it's still a little bit open. You can add here, quick trim. Make sure all inside this this surface. Okay, isolate, click OK. Now you can see it create a good shape. If I close again, see simulation, the embossing, height. Now you can see get good a smooth surface. So the last I want to create is the shape. The method same. Okay, I already select all the surface, the necessary surface. Get that datum, click on the datum itself. Okay, I go to rectangle. Okay, and create a profile. Yet still inside the geometry. Okay, click line here, trim the unnecessary surface. Okay, fillet. Okay, that's done. Check again, is it okay? If okay, click finish and then click OK. Now you see, create good result. If I close the simulation, hide and hide, now you can see the result is good. You can do synchronous editing for this surface if you think this is too small, including this one also, to make slightly bigger, like this one. Okay, that's it. How to create the forming punch and forming die insert in the NX Progressive Die. Thank you for watching, and please watch my next video. For the next step is to create a bending insert design. Okay, thank you very much.